Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to insert degree symbol in Google Docs on computer. So let's start. So let me minimize this file first, okay? So first of all you have to open the Google Docs document where you want to insert degree symbol. So let me open mine. So here I have this Google Docs document opened, and after that you have to go to the place where you want to insert degree symbol. So I want to insert a degree symbol just after this 28. So what you need to do, you have to click over there. So let me click on this. You can see I have this cursor over here, and after that you have to click on this insert this link in this top menu. So let me click on this, and then you have to click on this special characters. And you can see guys, I have this insert special characters this screen opened, and on this screen you have to come to this first option, click on this drop down, and make sure guys you have this option selected, that is categories, and then come to this second option, click on this drop down, and you have to select this first option, that is symbol. Okay, and then you have to come to this third option over here, click on this drop down, and you have to select this miscellaneous, this option. So just click on this miscellaneous. You can see it's now selected, and you can see guys, here we have various symbols. So here we have this degree symbol, so you have to click on this. So let me click on this, and you can see it's now inserted over here, you can see. And guys, there is another way by which you can find the degree symbol. So let me show you. So just come to this search box and type degree over here. So let me type that. You can see here we have search results, and here we have this degree symbol. So in order to insert this, you have to click on this. So let me show you. So let me delete this degree symbol. Let me click on this degree symbol. You can see it's now inserted. After that, you can close this window by clicking on this close button. So that's it. In this way, you can easily insert degree symbol in Google Docs on computer. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.